A very good day to our lecturer and to those who are watching us. Greetings, my name is Velmi Jonjwana Masus, and today me and my partner will be presenting our group assignment. The location that we choose is the Turtle Island Park located in Sandakan, Sabah, Malaysia. This park is a marine park where it's both conventional conservation and recreational park and owned by the government, which is the Sabah Park. The model operational for the Turtle Island is mixed operational, where it is collaboration between the local operators and the Sabah Park operator.
Good morning, Dr. Boyd and my fellow watchers. Now I'm Embo Daniela. I'm going to talk about vision, mission, and goals. Briefly, I'll make it brief. So, vision is people of Sabah living in harmony with nature. The mission is to preserve areas in Sabah that contain outstanding natural values as a heritage for the benefit of the people now and in the future. And they also have 6 goals, but I will only talk 3 goals. Our parks are world class. Second goal is we are the center of excellence for tropical ecosystem research. And the third one is our parks and nature tourism hotspots. The Turtle Island Park is a marine national park owned by the government, managed by Sabah Parks under the Sabah Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Environment. It protects important nesting grounds for endangered sea turtles. And the Turtle Island Park is located in Sandakan, Sabah, Malaysia, and which consists of 3 islands, which is Selingan, Bakungan Kecil, and Gulisan Island. And on the next slide, you will see the 3 islands more closely. And this is their organizational chart. The director manages Sabah Parks and sets strategic direction, and the deputy directors in operations and enforcement oversee park management and rangers. And on the last, administration, finance and research, deputy directors handles admins, finances and research. They also have chief assistants and senior officers. First one is enforcement and operation team. They are on-site staff, visitors, activities and conservations. And the last one is research and education team. This one is they monitor the turtle hatcheries, visitors, education.
Before we go into target market, this is the current visitor statistic for 2020 until 2023, which indicate that the blue line is Malaysian visitors and the red line is the foreigners visitors. This chart shows that foreigner is more likely to visit Turtle Island Park rather than Malaysian. Now, for the current visitor statistic January until February 2024, it shows that international visitors is more than Malaysian visitors. For target market, I've listed 4 points, which is person who interested in nature, domestic and regional, small and families, and lastly, international visitors. Next is primary features. In this slide, I will briefly explain the primary features. In Turtle Island, it has 6 primary features, consists of the Sea Turtle Sanctuary, Hatchery and Visitor Center, marine life and coral reef, guided tour, and last but not least, ecotourism and mud volcano.
In Turtle Island Park, they have a lot of activities, but I will only talk about 4 activities. They are watching turtle lay eggs, hatchling release program, scuba diving and snorkeling, and mud volcano. The first activity is watching turtles lay eggs. Visitors can observe endangered sea turtles coming ashore at night to lay their eggs in the sandy beaches of Turtle Island Park. Guided by park rangers, this experience highlights conservation efforts and the life cycle of these majestic endangered creatures, offering a rare and educational wildlife encounter. The second activity is hatchling release program. Park staff and visitors help release newly hatched turtles into the sea and supporting conservation and increasing the survival chances of endangered species. And fun fact, only a few will survive to return years later to the same beach to lay their eggs. The third activity is scuba diving and snorkeling. Visitors can snorkel or dive in designated areas to explore coral reef and marine lives, including sea turtles, but under strict park supervision to protect sensitive habitat. And the last activity is mud volcano. The mud volcano is both an educational and geotourism features and a natural landmark that complements the park's main conservation role for turtles.
For facilities that have souvenir shop, exhibition hall, and cafeteria. They also have accommodation which consists of two bedroom and a bathroom. Also they have surau and open football court. They also have safety procedure which is flag warning system which consists of five flags: red, yellow, red, double red flag and purple flag.
So, in conclusion, the Turtle Island Park plays a vital role in protecting endangered sea turtles while offering controlled educational tourism experiences through effective management, hatchery programs, and international cooperation. The park also balances conservation with recreation. Despite ongoing challenges, they remain a strong example of sustainable marine protection in Sabah. That's all from me. And on the next slide, I also included some references. Thank you.